height-wise yung lamang ni Batak, pero kinuha sa ilalim. Ito, pangalawang agaw na sunod. Layup na to, sure na to. That because they're close to the basket and defense is converging in. It's sort of like panic, no? Hindi ko nararamdaman kay Galicia. It always takes his time. Yung tao ni Montuano was gonna show that he was gonna help, but that little look away opened up the layup. Pero ito, binawi. Pa ako niyan.
Sara will take it again and finally gets one to drop. Galliano, he attacks the closeout. The drop pass inside. They kick it out. Pajarito from downtown.
Just gotta look.
Montuano. Already 4 assists in the game, by the way, para kay Aaron Morante.
Off the bench.
Side they go, Salenga. Shot clock at 7. Push shot, Salenga gets it to go.
Be really deceptive. Another steal. Aldrin, tatawag na ng timeout dito.
Pajarito, and there you go. Right on
Surprise
cue.
to me because the turnover wasn't on his son, pero siguro nagagalit siya as the point guard.
Oh yeah.
Kitang-kita yung impluensya ni Coach Aldrin. He's wearing the Jordans, the royal blue.
Yes.
Yung mga
Right.
Chinese. Si Albert Chua.
Oh yeah.
Yung Grace. Oh, I don't know if you know Charlemagne as he's a patset.
Tsaka alam ko hindi talaga sila related at all.
Hindi talaga. Oh, eto si Jasper. Nice one, Jasper.
Instead they go inside Coronel. Back out to Salenga. Jasper for 3. Yes sir, why not? Jasper Salenga.
Always intense. Nasa loob. Just like this shot. You know, getting to the rim.
Counter-attack here for Pasay. Hilario. Baseline jumper, that's good. Is it off to Damian Lasco. The screen by Soriano. Damian gets it to go over Montuano.
Excellent set play. A little Iverson for Pasig na si Kilatan. There's that staggered and roll. Ganda ng action sa weak side eh. Hindi nila alam kung
Of
sino.
course, not here in the MPBL. Sara from downtown gets it to go. Dan Sara with his second 3 in the second quarter. Tabi, the drop pass. Reverente, reverse is good for Dr. Fly.
Off guard by the Warlo Batak play. We didn't realize the quarter was about to end. And it ended in fashion. A little reverse by Reverente.
Pero maganda rin ang naging pasa dito ni Cyrus Tabi, taking out the defense and making sure that
May naging core sa kanila kay Warlo Batak.
panigurado yan,
Tingin ko
Coach.
kahit isa. You know? And that being said, that means valuable. Created enough space for him to make that shot.
Quick passing here for the Voyagers. Pajarito from the outside. Jaime has not yet really found the stroke from the outside. Manligas shifting hands. 4. Approaching the halfway point of quarter number 3. Sanko couldn't get it, but Pajarito is there to save the day. Advantage there against Rocky. Binalik kay Salenga. Pajarito pops out. Salenga goes all the way. Pinilit. Back shot is good. Dito Jaime. Jopet will go one-on-one. Shot clock down to 2. Soriano able to rattle one home. Out of action for Pasay last year. And now especially with the absence of Robbie Manalang stepping up. But this guy, Josh, gets it. Takes it. Could not make it. Batak trying to pull it down.
Look what I found.
Into the hands of Cyrus Tabi.
Ito. All alone.
Eh, dahil handa nang tumakbo ang Pasig dun eh.
In spite of many suitors.
And Pasig has already lost 5
Agaw.
straight games. That's another giveaway.
Workout kundi malalang diet. Isda at gulay lang. Kung kayang hindi mag-rice, hindi magra-rice. Pero pag masarap ang
Gone
ulam,
by here in the fourth quarter. Sanko, jump pass to Salenga, fading to his right. Cans a
Out niya,
3-point.
libreng-libre si Morante. Made the right basketball play.
Sanko, galing sa labas. Answering at home here at the Astrodome. Lasco, give it space. Oh, fresh